Welcome to Vision MBA. I know you appear in CT examination because you think it's easier as compared to other exams. And not just that, CT examination is going to give you opportunity to study MMS in top-notch colleges in your state like Maharashtra, like Jamnalal Bajaj, Sydenham and so on and so forth. But then guys, एक और examination है that is easy just like CET examination. अब of course इस साल के CET examination के attempt के बाद कई लोग बोलेंगे बंदा क्या बात कर रहा है. Trust me guys, just one slot was quite challenging of this year, and apart from that other slots were quite easy. But हाँ, जिन लोगों को वो slot आ गया और जिन लोगों को वो 5 या 6 क्वेश्चन नहीं आए, उन लोगों ने वो पूरे 190 क्वेश्चन की बैंड बजा दी या 170 क्वेश्चन की बैंड बजा दी कि ये सोच के कि ये 30 क्वेश्चन मेरे पढ़े के बाहर आ गए. एनीवे गाइस, सीमैट एक ऐसा एग्जामिनेशन है कि वेयर यू गाइस कैन स्कोर गुड, एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, इफ यू आर नॉट इन महाराष्ट्र, दिस एग्जामिनेशन कैन गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी टू स्टडी इन top-notch colleges like JBIMS, Sydenham and so on and so forth. Now let's talk about the examination pattern, and I want to tell you that CMAT examination is quite easy as compared to other exams. It's there on your screen. You are going to get 25 questions of quant, logical reasoning 25 questions, language comprehension verbal 25 questions. Yes, it also has general awareness 25 questions of 100 marks. Yes, current affairs usually ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है. एक नया टॉपिक ऐड हुआ है, that is innovation and entrepreneurship, but that is optional. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to opt for this section or not. Innovation and entrepreneurship, 25 questions, 100 marks are there. And if you see the sectional bifurcation is there on your screen, quant is going to be 25%. So it's an evenly balanced, or it's a balanced examination. Okay, so and what about the marking scheme? You're going to get +4 for every incorrect, and you're going to get -1 for incorrect attempt. So yes guys, in CET you do not have negative marking, but in CMAT you do have negative marking if you attempt a question incorrectly. However, there are no penalties if you leave a question unattempted. So now let's talk about the dates. Now guys, this is the tentative date. Okay, it might change. They are saying that CMAT 2022 के registration they will start in November, and then they will be giving you to correct your details in the month of December, download admit card, and then the examination is going to held in January. So guys, the CMAT examination है वो आपका January में होगा. That is what these guys are anticipating, and I hope the way things are getting better in our country from COVID now, I think the dates are going to be somewhere there. शायद जनवरी का फरवरी हो जाए, एक मंथ आगे हो जाए, that is there. Now these are the top-notch colleges that accept CMAT score. It is your JAGSOM, Jagdish Sheth School of Management, Great School, SIS, Jamnalal Bajaj, Amrita, Pumba, Sydenham. Now many people will say, sir, आपने ये Jamnalal Bajaj और SIS, Pumba नीचे क्यों रखा है? क्योंकि guys, CMAT examination is appeared by students all across India. Okay, CET examination is for Maharashtra students and they target these colleges, but क्या पता कोई और student हो जो बैंगलोर का CMAT appear कर रहा हो या चेन्नई का. So for them also I have kept the colleges. So Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai is a decent college. Amrita School of Business is a decent college. SIS, Jamnalal Bajaj, Pumba, Sydenham, and IMT Nagpur. So these colleges, they do accept the score of CMAT. There are other colleges also who accept CMAT scores. Now guys, CMAT examination preparation is somewhere similar like any other examination, but the only difference is it's way too easier than CAT, and it is not that surprising the way CET examination is. If you are someone who is attempting CET examination because it's going to give you opportunity to do MMS, and you cannot or you do not want to invest a lot of money in management studies, plus you want to be in your state, trust me guys, CMAT is the examination. I strongly recommend each and every student to appear in CMAT. It gives you variety of options, and I myself seen many students who got into a great college for PGDM also, not just MMS, on the score of CMAT. CMAT scores are accepted by many colleges, okay, and I'm talking about KJ Somaya, Velinkar. I hope you guys know these colleges. They are in Maharashtra, so you must attempt an CMAT examination. If you guys want to enroll for CMAT batch, CMAT and TIS batch, we are going to launch a new CMAT and TIS batch. We have already a batch for SNAP and NMAT, but then if you want to enroll for CMAT and TIS batch, this is the time guys. Make sure that you get in touch with us. We will enroll you for the batch, and yes, we will be emphasizing a lot on these two examinations. We will be also giving you few sessions to gauge us, and our contact details are in the description box. Make sure to get in touch with us. Thank you and stay blessed.